This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Kim Cyphers. Suite 3-bedroom ranch condo with handicap features. This home has an open floor plan with vaulted ceilings in the kitchen/great room. A split floor plan is great for a little privacy. The owner's suite includes an oversized shower and a fantastic walk-in closet. The other 2 bedrooms are on the opposite side and located in the front of the home. Bathrooms feature granite vanity tops, most of the hard surface flooring is vinyl plank flooring, and plush carpeting is found in the bedrooms. Out back you'll find a customized full-size deck. Come see this little delight and find your next place to call home. Washer and dryer are excluded from sale. For more information, review the details below or contact Kim Cyphers at 812-323-1231.